here at Earthquake Park in Anchorage shooting this video. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unbagging of IPSY. And the very first thing is this card. They started including these cards, I believe, just this month. And it has a list of all the products on the back. On the front it says "Swoon So Hard." So the very first thing in here is this Farrah brush, powder brush 50F. It says, "This brand known for luxe brushes that won't break the bank, versatile enough to apply setting powders, bronzers, and blush. This brush has super soft bristles that blend color smoothly and evenly." You like it? And this here is what this month's bag looks like. Let me see if I could get a quick thumbnail here. Look, babe, who's that? There. You hear the plane? So we're right near the airport, actually. I was trying to shoot this video. I thought it would be a good idea. And halfway in, this car pulled up with some blaring music. So these are by KNC Beauty. They're star eye masks. It says, "This brand was founded after a beauty columnist noticed a lack of all-natural options in the mask scene. The result, these ultra Instagrammable and good-for-you masks. Infused with retinol and gold, they are also made of natural ingredients that help soothe, reduce dark circles, and depuff your under eye area." Next, we have this Multi-X Repair Cream by Lab For You. This brand was created by derms and experts in aesthetics who know how to deal with all skin types. This rich cream instantly calms and drenches skin with moisturizers, even the most sensitive, acne prone. It's also infused, with witch hazel to help fight breakouts. A couple more things in here. This is by Meech and Mia. It's a pressed eyeshadow in the shade Caramel. There's the shade there. A brand that's always on trend and affordable. What's not to love? This honey gold eyeshadow is beyond versatile. Wear it on your lids, inner corners of your eyes, and brow bones to brighten up any look. And then I believe there's just one more thing in here. I was really excited about this. This is by Cella. It's an eyeliner pen in purple. It was either purple or brown, and I'm so glad I got purple. Purple's my favorite color. It says, "Ex-NFL player Chris Kolodziejski's mom inspired him to launch Cella, a brand that promotes confidence and self-expression through beauty. This precise felt tip liner is great for creating sharp wings, graphic lines, you name it." Alright, so that's it for my IPSY video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. We enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments, so please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. And we hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.